നമസ്കാരം പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം എന്ന് വേണമെങ്കിൽ പറയാം. Nobel Prize in Physics 2024 Nobel Prize in Physics 2024 has been awarded to John J. Hopfield and Geoffrey Hinton on foundational discoveries and inventions that enable machine learning, ML with artificial neural networks, and discoveries that were awarded Nobel Prize. John Hopfield invented Hopified network, a type of recurrent neural network that can store and reconstruct information. These networks works like a memory systems where they can store patterns like images and retrieve them. A network relies on Donald's hypothesis, which neurons act together. They can enhance networks capabilities to process and store information. Hopfield networks can be used for tasks like image recognition and data reconstruction, making them available for various applications in machine learning. Geoffrey. Next we have the Geoffrey Hopfield networks. Geoffrey like memory systems where they can store patterns like images and retrieve them. This networks relies on Donald's hypothesis, which neurons act together and they can enhance networks capability to process and store information. Next we have the variable Hopfield networks can be used for tasks like image recognition and array reconstruction, making them available for various applications in machine learning. Geoffrey Hinton invented a method of broad summing machine that can independently discover progress in data and has become important for large NNS now in use. Boltzmann machines is an early example of a generative model which can create new patterns or examples based on what it has learned. Trained Boltzmann machine can recognize familiar traits and information it has not previously seen. Artificial neural definition is an ML program or a model that makes decisions on a manner similar to the human brain by using processes that mimic the way of biological survivors. Neurons work together to identify phenomena, weigh options, and arrive at conclusions. Human brain is the inspiration behind the neural network architecture. Human brain cells called neurons from a complex, highly interconnected networks and send electrical signals to each other to help humans process information. Similarly, an NN is made up of artificial neurons or nodes that work together to solve problems. Artificial neural networks are the brain neural networks built from living cells. Neurons with advanced neural machinery, they can send signals to each other through the synapses, which we learn things. The connections between some neurons get stronger while others get weaker. Artificial neural networks are built from nodes that are coded with a value that the nodes are connected to each other, and when the network is trained, the connections between nodes that are active at the same time to get stronger, otherwise they get weaker. Next we have the NN structure. Basically every neural network consists of layers of artificial neurons interconnected in 3 layers. Input layers process the data, analyzes or categorize it and passes it on to the next layer. Hidden layer analyzes output from input layer, process it further and passes it on the next layer, and can have a large number of hidden layers with each layer. Output layer it gives a final result for all data processed by NN. Major types of NN: deep neural networks. These are neural networks that which many layers, each building on the previous layer to refine and optimize the production of categorization. Conventional neural networks, CNN, is used primarily in computer vision and image classification applications. They can detect features and patterns within the images and videos, enabling tasks such as object detection, image recognition, pattern recognition, and face recognition. Recurrent neural networks are typically used in natural language speech recognition application as they use sequential or time series data. Use cases include stock market predictions, image captioning, natural language processors, generative adversarial neural networks. GAN is used to create new data resembling the original trained data. This can include images appearing to be human faces but are generated not to take it for real people. Machine learning is a component of AI that focuses on using data and algorithms to enable AI to imitate the way that humans learn, gradually improving its accuracy. In machine learning, computer learns by example enable to tackle problems that are too vague and complicated to be managed by step-by-step instruction. One example is interpreting a picture to identify the objects in it. Working ML works by training algorithms on sets of data to achieve our expected outcomes, such as identifying a pattern or recognizing an object. Neural networks and artificial neural networks are completely specific class of ML algorithms. Applications of ML research and scientific advancement, instrumental discovering of Higgs particles, and search for exoplanets. Natural language processing (NLP), automatic speech recognition or speech to text or generative AI Okay, computer vision. Okay, deriving meaningful information from digital issue inputs like images, videos. Okay, analysis and ethical issues. Okay, explainability, understanding why a model does what it does. It actually is very difficult question as it leads through examples instead of clear instruction. Super intelligence raises questions related to accountability and responsibility for research who will be held liable in case of accident of self-driving car. Okay, bias and discrimination. Machines are trained by humans and human beings are basis it can be incorporated into algorithms perpetuating forms of discrimination, other privacy concerns, regulation concerns, etc. misuse. Okay, Bharat program. The Minister of Science and Technology launched Bharat a pioneering initiative in generative artificial intelligence AI. About program. Bharat is a multi-modal large language model LLM project focused on creating generative AI systems that can generate high-quality text and multi-modal content, audio and imagery in various in the lives, aims and purpose. Okay, to revolutionize public service delivery and boost citizen engagement through AI. Okay, multilingual and multi-modal models. Bharat data set-based training opens platform, generative AI research ecosystems. Okay, position India as a leader in the generative AI space, crafting a path related to India's diverse linguistic, cultural, and social societal fabric, pushing AI technology boundaries and ensuring relevance to India's context and use cases. Okay, implementing agency DIH Foundation for IoT and IoT, a section of 8 company not for profit by IIT Bombay under the National Mission on Interdisciplinary Cyber Physical Systems (ICPS). Timeline project is expected to be completed in 2 years, 2026. Bharat has a core part of Bharat. It aims at establishing a vast repository of India-centric data that ensures the AI models are deeply rooted in the country's unique context. Okay, strategic research pillars of Bharat data model and model innovation, enhancing data efficiency and model performance, advanced capabilities and application, extending AI capabilities for broader societal impact, interactivity and user experience, personalizing AI interactions for enhanced user engagement with explainability and transparency, ethical AI and privacy, uphold ethical standards and user privacy in AI development through decentralized model training, bias detection and mitigation, integration and future technology, merging AI with emerging technologies such as IoT, AR or VR for innovative solutions, evaluation and management. Set up robust evaluation framework for to measures progress and guide future research directions. Okay, national missions on interdisciplinary cyber physical systems (NMIPC PCS) about a comprehensive mission approved in 2018 for a period of 5 years. Okay, aim to complete convergence with all stakeholders, academy, industry, government and international organization, development of technology platforms to carry out R&D, translational research, product development, etc. to promote translational research in cyber physical systems, CPS, and associated technologies to set up the world-class interdisciplinary centers of excellence in several academic institutions, implementing agencies, Department of Science and Technology (DST) under the NMIP ICP's 25 technology innovation hubs. DIH have been established in reputed institutes across the country, which with each hub be assigned technology vertical in the area of advanced technologies like AI, ML, robotics, and cybersecurity, etc. Okay, about generative AI and large language models (LLMs). Okay, generative AI is AI that can create original content such as text, images, video, audio, or software code in response to users' prompt or request. Okay. Generative AI tools are built on underlying AI models such as large language model LLM, which is the foundation of the text-based generative AI tools. Generative AI relies on deep learning models, algorithms that simulate the learning and decision-making process of the human brain. Okay, LLMs are a category of foundation models like large AI models capable of understanding and generating natural language and other types of content to perform a wider range of tasks. LLMs works by learning patterns from vast amounts of data and becoming capable of recognizing and interpreting human lives. LLMs are typically based on type of neural networks called transformer architecture and consist of multiple layers of neural networks and self-extension mechanism that enables them to learn patterns. Okay, comparison between traditional AI and generative AI. Key traditional and generative AI. Okay, key focus analyzes data, performs specific tasks, and automate decision making. Okay, generative AI creates new data, text, images, music, etc. Okay, learning a process of express rules and algorithms and data-driven learning neural networks. Okay, output structured outputs such as predictions, solutions, or classification require manual intervention and reprogram automatically adjust and improve its performance over time. Analogy master a chef following a recipe. Okay, innovative chef creating new dishes. Okay, applications, accuracy, efficiency, reasoning, creativity, content generation. Okay, next is significance of bars and government backing. This initiative marks the world's first government-funded multi-modal large language model LLM project focused on creating efficient and inclusive AI in Indian languages. Okay, as AI is a public good, Bharat will deliver generative AI models and their applications as a public good by prioritizing India's social, cultural, and linguistic diversity. Okay, inclusive AI strives to address India's broad needs such as social equity, cultural preservation, and linguistic diversity while ensuring that generative AI reaches all segments of society. Aligns with the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat by creating foundational AI models. Bharat aims to reduce reliance on foreign technology and strengthen the domestic AI ecosystem. Okay, other initiatives to promote AI development in India. India AI Mission, a comprehensive national level program to democratize and catalyze the AI innovations ecosystem. National AI Board India. Okay, a joint venture by the Métis National E-Governance Divisions, NEGD, and NASCOM. AI Research Analytics and Knowledge Dissemination Platform AI for providing a common computer platform for AI research and knowledge assimilation. Global partnership on artificial GPI, international initiative to guide the responsible development and use of AI. India is a founding member in National AI Skilling Program, enhancing AI skills through customized training models with the industry space docking experiments. SPADeX. Recently, Hyderabad-based private firm handed over 400 200 kg class satellites to ISRO, which will be as part of the space docking experiment SPADeX planned at the end of 2024. Thank you. About space docking.